We have to teach what the industry is looking for right now.
We work in an industry that is changing so fast. So what I want is a programming package that gets my students up and running as fast as they can go.
With the Haas Automation and Autodesk Fusion curriculum, you're going to be learning the CAD skills, the design skills, and then actually making the part on the CNC.
Having a curriculum like this has saved me time. I've been able to say, you're an excelling student, you're ahead of schedule, go work on this. It's including the videos by Haas, videos by Autodesk.
The Haas and Autodesk curriculum is easy to understand, and it's all step-by-step. It breaks down in chunks, and it's super easy to go through.
I felt accomplished with myself being able to design something so quickly and then run it on a machine that same day.
This course should be able to be done in one term. Right now, every student in this class will get 3 job offers. That's how much demand there is out there.